Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer vendor onboarding using Syncee step by step clearly. Open the Syncee platform in your web browser. Log into your Syncee account using your credentials. Navigate to the vendor onboarding section from the main dashboard. Click on the Add Vendor button to initiate the onboarding process. Fill in the required vendor information such as name, email, and contact details. Upload any necessary documents that the vendor needs to provide. Select the product categories the vendor will supply. Choose the appropriate pricing options for the products. Set the inventory levels for each product listed by the vendor. Review all the entered details for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to officially add the vendor. Wait for Syncee to process the vendor information. Once processed, you will receive a confirmation notification. Check the vendor list for the newly added vendor. If needed, customize the vendor's settings from the list. Communicate with the vendor to confirm their onboarding is complete. Ensure that the vendor understands how to manage their products in Syncee. Conduct a final review to ensure all necessary steps have been completed. Your vendor is now successfully onboarded and ready to supply products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.